Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to add a pre-order button on Shopify. Let's get started. First, log into your Shopify account, click Settings down here, click on Apps and Sales Channels, then click Shopify App Store up here. In here, type in the search bar pre-order, then look for an app that will suit your needs. I'm going to use this app as an example. Click on Install, click Install again, then click Enable Theme Extension. This action will open the Shopify website editor, and on the left panel, enable the app you just installed. Next, go back and then click on Add Product. In this pop-up, click on the checkbox of the product you want to enable pre-order in. Then click Save down here. Next, click on Edit right here and choose from these three conditions which one suits your store best. I'm going to click on Always. Then I'll click on Save up here. And that is how you can add a pre-order button in Shopify. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.